Okay, I'm gonna try to make a video real quick before Bobby and James come up here, since neither one of them knows how to be quiet. So all I did on the home page was search transportation. It brings you to this page, and then you click on St. James attendance area, whatever. Then you have to agree to this every time you come on here. I went to this thing right here. It says school selector. I don't really know how that helps, but I went down to our school and clicked on it. And where is our school? Now I'm getting distracted because they're coming up the stairs and I know they're gonna ruin this. St. James Elementary. Then I just clicked out of there, and then you go to layers here, and that's not it. So we'll go to this, and it already has Horry County school stops and private roads. That's what the red lines are going to be that you see. So I clicked this, and it pops up all of Horry County and the different zones. So obviously we are on the very bottom, and so you just zoom in, zoom, and go in here and zoom some more. And this is what I used to figure out where we were going to go. When you get really close, you'll see these pluses in pink or blue, and when you click on them, this is the AM, and if you just keep clicking through, it'll tell you the PM, but it tells you the name of where the stop actually is. So I'm also going to forward you an email from the bus office lady that has all of the buses on it, and it has the names of the neighborhoods. But you're not going to need all of them. Okay? All right.